The Bluefin Consumer Confidence Index is India's first monthly urban consumer confidence index computed by surveying over 4,000 consumers in 18 urban centers across India. The pulse rate of the urban Indian consumer shows how typical urban consumers feel about the current economy and its prospects, and hence how likely they are to spend. In a country where close to 60% of the GDP is driven by personal consumption, the Bluefin Consumer Confidence Index is a critical part of the toolkit of the investor, the policymaker, and the economist. The Bluefin Consumer Confidence Index is expressed as a rating of 0 to 100. 0 denotes extreme pessimism, 100 denotes extreme optimism, and 50 denotes a neutral view. With a score of 41.4, the Bluefin April 2012 CCI improved over previous months but continued to indicate pessimism among consumers. At 39.0 in April 2012, the Future Expectations Index shows that consumers are pessimistic about the economy's prospects. Consumers are more comfortable about their present situation, with a score of 47.3. In short, the urban Indian consumer is still wary of what the future holds. While still indicating pessimism, the Bluefin Spending Sentiment Index at 28.3 has improved by 5.2% over the March index. Consumers seem to be more positive about buying big-ticket items such as vehicles and homes in April, indicating that the recent RBI rate cut and the resulting decline in borrowing rates have had a positive impact. While consumers are still very pessimistic about inflation, with the Bluefin Inflation Sentiment Index coming in at 26.18, an improvement of 11.2% over the previous month indicates that consumers are more confident that inflation is coming under control. The Bluefin Onion Index registered a decline of 2.4% in April from the previous month, suggesting that food prices are still a cause of concern for Indian consumers. The Bluefin Employment Sentiment Index at 47.7 is the one relatively bright spot in the Bluefin survey. However, the index has remained flat over the last few months. While comfortable about their current job situations, consumers are less confident about finding alternative employment. Overall, after bottoming out in December 2011 at 35.8, the CCI score has increased slowly but steadily to 41.4 in April 2012, which may indicate that consumer confidence in the Indian economy is in the very early stages of revival. However, since most scores are still well in the pessimistic range, only continued improvements in scores in coming months will validate this perception. The Bluefin Consumer Confidence Index is released every month. Keep an eye out for upcoming releases to get the pulse rate of the urban Indian consumer.